So today I decided to cook Biko for myself and for my son because I'm really craving for this for a very long time. So this one, it's supposed to be a latik, but I decided not to make it a latik, just a coconut custard cream, because I think my son will like it better this way. So let's wait to hear his verdict on my Biko and see if it meets his taste preferences. Interesting.
Some people's habits in Yemen a success, but Washington also acknowledges it expects some form of retaliation.
What's this?
Try it.
Over at the Pentagon, the message was also one of gold fiction. Initial indications are that we had good effects. So far, we've not seen any type of retaliatory action from the Houthis. However, the Houthis did fire one anti-ship missile to
My baby loves it.
Mom, is there more?
Yeah, there's many. I cooked many.
Yeah.
And you love it. Annie, this is your favorite. I passed. Thanks for watching.